How's it going, realist? Welcome to another episode of On the Real Fishing. Thank you guys so much for joining us again today. Thank you for all your support, all your likes, subscribes, and notifications. Thank you for dropping by. Today we're going to be hitting this creek again, and we are going to be using some different crankbaits today. Let's see if I can put it on camera here. I've got this little grubby guy on here right now. We've got a couple other types of grubs and things that we're going to be using, trying to hit some spots. Whew! The water is brisk this morning. We're going to be going out this way, right there, heading up the creek that way, and trying to see if we can catch a fish. Obviously, we're going to try to hit some covery spots that I normally can't hit from the bank on this side, and we're just going to see what happens. Hopefully, we'll catch a fish. Maybe we won't. You never know. And hopefully, we won't fall. So, thank you guys for watching again, and let's get on the reel. Let's go catch some fish. Definitely a cold one. One of these days I'll learn how to cast better. If that was a snag or a fish. Ooh. Alright, we're going to stop for a second to get this fixed. We'll be back in a minute. We're coming up to a relatively calm section here in the creek, so I'm going to switch over to the crick hopper since we lost our little grubby in the tree. So I'm going to give this little guy a go. Oh. Oh, that was bad. I forgot to cast this after the other one. Just now remembered I had my fishy goggles on my head there, so I could have been trying to take advantage of that, but I think this water is way too murky for that. So oh, hey, bails opening are good. tied on the bitsy minnow. See what it's gonna do. It hung in a tree right off the bat. Duck on it. Finally get something? Oh, we did. Look at there. 75,000 hours later, we got ourselves a little bluegill. Oh, I gotta let him down a little bit. Alrighty. A little bit of a bath there. Clean off your eyeball, buddy. Sorry about that, sir. Yep. There we go. Birch fish. We got one finally. I knew there had to be something over in that shade. But go on, Bubba. Gosh. I've probably been out here for an hour at this point fishing and just now caught something. Oh, that was terrible. Talked to a guy at the shop yesterday. We were talking about fishing and sometimes how difficult it is to catch something. And basically, we're talking about basically you fish where you don't think you're supposed to. Oh, well, of course that's not going to work. It's all tangly. You basically fish where you don't think you can. Usually that ends up being where the fish are hiding because they know that you can't get there either. Oh, back to where I was before. At this point, I'm trying to find a spot where I can get out of here. I'm trying to get out of here. Ooh, what we get? Oh, that was a good size something. That was a good size something. All right, realists, thank y'all for joining me today on this creek adventure. The bitsy minnow was the hero right here. Da 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 da. Got us our one catch. Thank you for the recommendation for sure on using the shallow crankbait. It was the only thing that got us any bites today, but we're going to be trying to find our way out of this creek, get out of here and get to work. Time's running away from us. So thank you guys for stopping by, watching the video, and we'll see you next time and hope you can get on the reel real soon. There we go, on the way back, got one more. Bitsy minnow. Alrighty, got it free. Hold on. Gotta show you off. Look at there. Very pretty. A chubby one too, so hopefully it's eating well. Get it back, get it on its way. Another one of those cast it where you don't think you should kind of things. Because that was all the way up against the rocks. Golly, I gotta get out of here.